Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and today we're gonna have a look at the gold forex trading market because we had another huge movement on the forex trading market for the XAUUSD on yesterday's chart, and I cannot wait to show you guys what happened and to start to unpack this really powerful trend that I'm looking at right now because it's really useful for you guys to know as well. It's just us here learning about gold and how it behaves. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're gonna have another review of the gold forex trading market and what happened especially in yesterday's market charts. Why? Because we have some crazy moves yet again where gold has been decreasing in the past few days, if not weeks, which is just basically gold getting hammered back to its normal phase, if that's even still a thing. So here we are talking again about the gold forex trading market and how good of opportunities it can give us if you have the right tools at hand. And I'm going to explain what I mean by that in a few seconds if you're new to the channel. If you're old here, then... So, without further ado, let's jump right into those charts and let's get started. Okay guys, so we are back discussing about the XAUUSD trading strategies for today because as you can see on the screen right here, this is a beautiful looking downward trend. What is unusual about this is that it's a continuous trend which happened on yesterday's market and lasted for hours. And when I say hours, I mean hours. Crazy trend started at roughly just around 9:30 in the morning and went all the way down until roughly 10 o'clock at night. So this trend did last more or less 12 freaking hours. And in this trend, let's just say that gold has been hammered down. Can you remember the days when gold has been on top, or better said, over the 2000 price mark? Now it's back to 1834. That's one hell of a downgrade in terms of a price. But don't worry, because if the price is decreasing, especially in these big trends, we still can have a really good day based on it. What you're seeing on the screen right now in terms of the indicator that I'm using, this is the momentum trading indicator. If you're new to the channel, then this is a proprietary indicator created by us here at Trade Labs, especially for you guys who want the information without having to understand really complicated indicators and charts and confusing strategies. This gives you everything you need in one view. You can see straight away what's happening here, and it's really, I don't know, proactive in a way because it does notify you of any starting point of a trend change. Because one thing that this indicator is really good at in the XAUUSD trading strategies is to predict the direction of the market itself and the market trends, which is basically just everything that any trader in the world has been looking for. Now, you can take this indicator and use it in your own games, in your own trading skills and trading life, because it's just basically giving you all the information you need in order to jump on those trends. And it's audibly notifying you of any starting point of a trend change, like I mentioned earlier, which is really useful if you don't want to be stuck to your laptop or PC 24/7. Anyways, coming back to this incredible, beautiful trend, which we have here on the screen. This happened yesterday, like I mentioned. It was one hell of a powerful trend. Gold has been going crazy down. That's what happened. Pretty easy, huh? Coming to the actual potential of the trend that we are seeing here, and again, this is just one trend of the whole day of yesterday's market of the gold forex trading strategies. This is just one trend, okay? This is just the biggest one, and I really like looking at the biggest trends on the market because they're just easier for everyone to get involved with, especially if you're new to the market or you're just new to the XAUUSD trading strategies themselves. Anyways, coming back to the potential of this trade that you're seeing on the screen here, we will take into consideration the highest point and the lowest points like one usually does. And the highest point would be just around where the direction of the market started to get changed at the price point of 1864. And it went all the way down, as you can see, until just around here at the lowest point of 1832. Well, boys and girls, that leaves us with a crazy potential of 32 points, which is a repeat of what happened yesterday and the day before in terms of the videos that I did. So if you haven't watched them already, then go ahead and watch them. They're quite useful. Anyways, so we are talking about 32 points. Now, in order to get that into your pips, then you just need to multiply the number of points you have with 100, and there you go. So in our case, we have 32 points multiplied by 100, and that leaves you with a potential of 3,200 pips into one trend, into one day in the XAUUSD trading market itself. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video, but don't click off yet. I just want something really important to show you at the end of the video, so just stick around because I have some really good news for you guys. Anyways, today we finished the market recap of yesterday with a crazy potential of 3,200 pips. If that's not mind-blowing, then I don't know what is. This is really useful information that you can use in your trading life and in your trading skills, and by that I mean information that we share here on Trade Labs and on the market itself, because as you all know, gold especially, it's a really tricky market to play around with if you don't know what you're doing or if you're new to the market itself. So something really useful like the momentum trading indicator could prove to be really powerful into helping you get eased into this market without getting stinged. But hey, that's for you to decide if you want to give it a try. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.